Students, I welcome you all for the laboratory classes conducted by Vidya Mandir College. Yes, today I am here to discuss with the next experiment, that is JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop is a universal flip-flop, and we shall perform by using a different kind of dedicated trainer kit it is. In this trainer kit, we can find there are two zip socket and there is a input ports. There are A, B, C, D, E up to this input is there, digital inputs I can connect here, and output I can take here. Okay, that is a provision we have given here, and a mono pulse is also present here. The speciality of this kit, it is dedicated only for the experiment what exactly we have for the JK flip-flop, and as well as shift registers. Anyway, shift registers we are not doing the experiment, and JK is one of the simple experiment that we perform today. Okay, here let me explain. This zip socket will have how many pins? 16 pin, because this IC74, you can see that IC7476, IC74HC76, this is the IC number. It is a dedicated negative edge JK flip-flop it is. So here how many ICs, how many gates are there in this? There are two flip-flops are present here. Okay, two flip are present here. So this is a 16 pin IC, 8 pin is there, and this side 8 pin is there. Anyway, notch has to be at the top side. I am supposed to connect notch at the top side, and I'll close this zip socket. Now pin number 1, pin number 8 is here. Exactly, no need to do how we have done for the other digital trainer kit. We have considered, there is no alteration here. Directly we can connect 16. Fine. So let me come to the very first thing, that is how the pin configuration. This is the pin configuration. This pin configuration, it is little difficult, but try to remember this, because otherwise it is highly impossible to perform the experiment. So this is a pin configuration. Out of 2 JK we are using only 1. Okay, that I'll write and show you how to remember this. Okay, this is very simple. I'll write and show you how to remember this pin configuration, pin diagram. See, basically you will be writing the JK, that is J and K are the 2 inputs, and Q and Q bar will be the 2 output. So this is J, this is K, and anyway clock pulse will be applied. It is a negative edge clock pulse we are applying here, and this is the symbol. Okay, and it is how to remember this, because there outside it is a 2 JK will be there. This is JK1, JK2. See, there is a logic for remembering the pin configuration. So here this is a 16 pin IC, as I told you. So here there are 2 pins will be present, that is pin number 2, pin number 3. That is, we are not using, this is called preset and clear pin. Preset and clear pin, we are not using this. Okay, still you need to remember these 2 pins. First of all, very first, the biasing plus 5 volts. Pin number 5 has to be connected. Pin number 5 connected to plus 5 volt. Then, ground. Ground will be connected to what it is? Pin number 13. That is what? I told you in 7/4 series, pin number 14 will be VCC, pin number 7 is ground. But here there is a difference. You please remember these 2 pins. 5 is the VCC, 13 is the ground, and pin number 4 is J, pin number 16 is K, pin number 15 is Q bar, this is Q, and pin number 14 is Q bar. This is Q, this is Q bar. Okay, then you remember pin number 4 is the input J, pin number 16 is K, pin number 15 is output Q, 14 will be Q bar. Okay, 2 and 3 preset and clear, that has to be connected to plus 5 volts. So henceforth, remember, we are not using means we are connecting to plus 5 volts. Okay, everything is clear. Then what is the clock? Pin number 1 is the clock pulse. Pin number 1 is the clock pulse. Only remember this much, it is enough. It's very clear now. Inputs JK is 4 and 16. Outputs Q bar, that is 15 and 14. Right now these are the pins, input, and this is the output. And then rest of the thing, what it is? 2 and 3. It is connected to shorted, it is connected to plus 5 volts. It is a preset and clear. We are not using this, but you have to short these two. Finished. Then what else is remembering? So very simple. Biasing pins anyway I said, and JK input I said, output I said, in which we are not using, also we are connecting to plus VCC, everything we said. And clock will be pin number 1. That's it. Everything is clear. Now please come to the experiment part. Okay. Now here let me connect the very first pin, that is biasing. Biasing is what? Pin number 5 connected to VCC, plus VCC. Okay. And then pin number 13 connected to ground. Okay, let me connect pin number 13 connected to ground. Okay, then pin number 1 connected to clock pulse. Let me connect this. Pin 1 connected to clock pulse. Clock pulse is here. Yes, I have connected. I just did the biasing and then I just finished the clock pulse. Then let me connect, which we are not using. We have to connect it to where it is. It should be connected to plus 5 volts. Yes. Henceforth I am shorting these two. 2 and 3 are the preset and clear, and the preset and clear I am connecting to pin number 5, which we are not using. It should be connected. Clear. Everything is over. Now what left? Only thing is input, output left. Input 2 pins, that is pin number 4 will be the J. J means input you take, assume it is a J, and pin number 16 will be K. Yes, pin 16 will be K. These two inputs, and the same way 2 outputs is required, that is pin number 15 is Q, 15 is Q, pin number 14 is Q bar. Yes, Q bar. That's all. 2 wires will be output, 2 wires will be input, 1 is the clock, and preset and clear has to go for the plus VCC, and then you have to bias the IC. 13 is ground, 5 is the VCC. Very simple circuitry. We have done everything, and now we shall verify. Verification part we shall do. Yes. Now, yes, I'll make it on. 1 second. Yes, I will be making it on. 1 sec. Yes. Okay. When I make it on, the immediately what will be coming? A valid state will be coming. Maybe it is 1 0 or 0 1, but it should be a valid state when you switch on the power supply. Anyway, IC is connected properly, and you have to check, cross check once. Then now J and K inputs we are giving. It is same like a SR flip-flop, but what is the difference here? Here we have to do, that is last case 1 1. By the way, when both the inputs are 1 1, there was a invalid state was present in SR flip-flop, but that will be overcome here. How it is true, we shall see now. Okay, coming to the truth table. Yes, you can see this truth table here. When clock pulse is not given means always it is hold state. When clock pulse is given, it is, there will be a change. And I have mentioned here 0 is a clock pulse because I told you it is a negative edge clock, negative edge triggering JK flip-flop. 7476 is the negative edge JK flip-flop. Henceforth, if it is 0 means it is a clock pulse is applied. It is an active low signal. Okay. In case of SR flip-flop, it is very simple. 1 1 1 means it is clock pulse is present, but here it is exactly reverse because it is an active low. So here this will be treated as clock pulse is applied. 1 means clock pulse is not applied. Don't confuse with this. Yes. Now I am applying the same thing. It is same like that. 0 1. What is the output? 0 1. Set to be reset. If 0 1 is the output state, it is set to be reset. If the output state 1 0, then it is set to be set state. So for 1 0, 1 0 will be the output. For 0 1, 0 1 will be the output. So same thing like a SR flip-flop. And last case 1 1, what has come? Toggle is there. What is the meaning of toggle? It is switching from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. You can observe here 4.2 means it is a high state, and 0.35 means it is a low state, and it is vice versa. It is going to toggle in next monopulse. It is going to reverse, means this will become low, this will become high. Toggle means a switching is transition from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. The transition will take place, that is called toggle, we can say. Yes. Now we shall come to the point 0 1. Yes, whatever you can change until clock pulse is applied, it will not change. Okay, that is what here and I'll be making here first case 1 0. After applying clock pulse, it will change into 1 0. You can see after the application of clock pulse, it is changing into 1 0. Next 0 1, it is changing into 0 1. When clock pulse is not applied, you can do whatever changes here, it will not change. Remember, clock pulse is a must. So okay, now if we bring back to 0 0, output state will not change. It is called a hold state. For example, last trial which I have done is 1 0. For 1 0, what has come? 1 0 has come. Now if I bring back to 0 0, it will not change. That is the meaning of hold state. Last case 1 1, you can see output toggles. It becomes 1, this becomes 0. This becomes 1, this becomes 0. That is called toggle. How do you apply monopulse? As a result, there is a transition. There is a change in 0 to 1, 1 to 0. That is JK flip flop as a toggle flip flop. And also we have to go for a T flip flop. How to do? Very simple. Next is T means how to do? It is J and K has to be shorted, connected to one terminal. Very simple. Short here only and say this is a T flip flop. T flip flop. The truth table. Very simple. Very simple truth table. Make it on. See now. For if it is 0, output is valid state. If you apply clock pulse also, it will not change. When it is 1, you can see a toggle. Now if it is 1 means toggle you can observe. See. Then what is the condition for toggle? That is condition for toggle is input has to be high. Means J is equal to K is equal to clock is equal to high. Means it should be enable state. By the way, it will give you toggle mode. This is the truth table. And anyway, we have note down the corresponding voltage level by using multimeter. If you keep multimeter, you can measure. You can measure this. What is the voltage, corresponding voltage that can be measured? For example, yes, if it is 1 0, then you have to measure in the same way. It is active low. If you touch immediately, there will be a, if you touch immediately, there will be a problem because it's active low. And anyway, you have to measure only one you have to measure. Sorry, yes. What is the voltage I am getting here? 4.89 volts. That is for a high state. Okay, we are externally measuring the multimeter, means there will be a problem. That is because of the active low signal, there is a voltage will be coming, and that voltage only we have mentioned 4.825. It will be changing. By the way, this is the way we are performing the experiment, and we do consider how the output will be get toggle. This is the way it will be get toggle. This is the verification part of the JK flip flop. Thank you, my dear students.